This is an old Galaxy Tab 3 that I have that I use for D&D. It's pretty old. So, but what it does, it still comes in handy because I can use a couple of free apps here. This one's 5th edition spell list. So I can make a list of my spells. With this one is nice. This is the D&D 5e Spellbook. So I don't have to carry around the player's guide or a list of the spells, which I used to do. And you can see, if you print them out from the PDF, that's big. It's a lot. So this is pretty self-explanatory, but you can do it by character class, wizard. The drop-down menu comes down. You get everything: Druid, Eldritch Knight, Arcane Trickster. You can just do all spells. We'll do wizard, and then it'll show you the spell progression chart, which is always nice because I always forget about that. So, and I always forget to look and find it in the book. So that's pretty nice that that's there. But unfortunately, not all these spells do, not all of these apps do everything. So another app I have is an actual spell book, which is kind of cool because you can, let me get back to that screen. All spells, class spells, and then you can actually click on my spells and you can fill in a spell book with spells by hitting plus sign, and then you can either type in the name of the spell or you can go to the class, and so you can like type in like vicious mockery, which is one of my favorites. Done. Add that. Sorry, it's trying to download something, so it's being real slow. Probably an update. All spells. There's a list of all the spells, and you click on one, and it'll give you a description of it. Hopefully. Yep. Absorb elements. One reaction, which you take when you take acid, cold, fire, lightning, or thunder damage. Range, duration, components, describes the spell, and then tells you about the progression at higher levels. So that comes in pretty handy. That's pretty nice. Class spells. This is called D&D 5e Spellbook cards. So you can do it by class. You can sort by class. Here you see all class: Bard, Cleric, Druid, Paladin, Ranger, Sorcerer, Wizard, Warlock. You can sort by that, or you can just go by all spells, and they're all listed in alphabetical order, which is nice. So that's pretty cool. So that helps me. And then another thing that I have here, although for whatever reason I have it under a different user on the same tablet. So what I have to do is go to this screen, click on that guy, open this up. Well, that's not going to open, so I'll just do this on a different video once I get that open. But anyway, that's how I just take this thing with me instead of a big book, and I can save room in my book bag for snacks and water and that sort of thing for my D&D session. So it's pretty nice, a couple little apps, and you got your spell book and your spell list, and I actually do have a character sheet too, which I'll show you about that one in the next video. So thought it might help you guys. Have a good day.